Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us and all the support. Today we will show you guys on this Mercedes E-Class E320, okay, how to remove and replace the air filters on those. He has two air filters, okay, engine air filters. The 350, 500, there might be closed procedure as well, so he'll probably work for the V6 and V8 gas engines. Okay, we're demonstrating on an E320, so you need to pop that thing up, you need to remove it, then you need to disconnect the hoses, guys. Just pull those hoses out of there, okay, like that. Then you need to grab the engine cover, pull straight up. Okay, that's where it locks in place. Okay, we're going to cover the throttle, okay, body right there, so we don't drop anything in it, we don't get dust in it. And that's where the filters are located, underneath the engine cover right now. So we need Torx T25 socket bit. Okay, here we'll need to remove a few screws now. 4 of them on each filter. Okay, let's see. We usually clean ours every oil change. This one we got it from an auction, and as you can see, that's what we have here. Okay, check this thing out. That's just nasty here. And those guys, they need to be replaced, to be honest with you. We wanted to inspect them, see how bad they are. Okay, check it out now. Oh, that thing is terrible. Cannot even breathe. We're going to open the other side. We'll clean them now and order some at the parts store. I called and they didn't have any in stock, so once they get them tomorrow, we'll put them together. But okay, check the other side. Butterflies and everything else you can think of. So we're going to remove this one as well. It is nasty cabin air filters. Okay. You want to make sure that you clean that box really good. You might need to use a vacuum, blow on it really good to make sure that you don't have any dust inside of it, any bad stuff. Okay, check those out. Okay, I don't know how that thing was moving. Okay, so when you get new ones, guys, we don't have them right now, we'll have them tomorrow. We'll just show you guys how to put it together. Okay, how to close the lids and all that stuff, but always we recommend, if they need replaced, replace them. Okay, so that's how you get them in. Okay, make sure that they are where they're supposed to be. Clean everything good. Okay, install it there, and you need to get the screws tight again. 4 screws on each filter. Okay, perfect. Same thing relates for this one here as well. This is the original part number. I wonder if that thing is still original filter in it. It has 141,000 miles and it hasn't been maintained at all. It looks terrible. It needs a lot of work. We have more than 200 videos on this Mercedes, guys, so check the playlist out. If you need something, we'll probably have it. If we don't have it now, we'll have it in the future. We are constantly adding videos for those, so it's important now to get the throttle body right there. Okay, that's where it contacts. Okay, it's the mass airflow sensor with that seal, so you need to make sure you get it good. Okay, that you seal it very good. Pull the hoses out of the way here, okay, and once it gets in, you need to press in the back, and then you need to press the front as well, okay, until it locks like that. Then you can connect the hoses, okay, and install the cap on top, and it's still a little bit loose there, it didn't go in all the way. Okay, I think it slides in actually. Okay, let's see how that thing works. Okay, it's still, yep, right there. So perfect. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.